Hi, welcome to Top Tech Tips. If you've been here before, great to see you again. If you're a new person here, then hope you enjoy this. Look at all the other stuff. Today, I'm going to be looking at the Windows Photo app to help you crop, edit and make little fine-tunes to your photographs to make it look pretty good. Let's get started. There are two ways to start the Photos app. One way is to press the Windows Start button and type Photos. Until we get the Photos app, click that and it will open Photos up, as you can see. The other way is to scroll through the pictures you've got on your camera, find one that you want to edit, such as this one, which is in RAW format, right click it and edit with Photos. This will open the Photos app and bring the picture up for you. Now we can do all various things with it. First of all, we can do what they call crop and rotate. Rotating, click here, it just goes round 190 degrees at a time. You can flip back and forward, that's a bit cheating really. Or if their eyes isn't quite straight, you can use the straightening bar here to very slowly just tweak it round so everything is just right. Sometimes it's really hard to hold the camera straight and level when we're trying to get an impulse photograph, so you can straighten it out by using that. It's also possible to change the aspect ratio, so you can make it a square picture, 10:8. You can vary it around as you like. I'll go back to the original and we'll talk about cropping. If you just want to bring a particular aspect of the picture out, you can also crop. So just grab a corner, whiz down to what you want, and that will show you just that part of the photograph. So now that's all you're seeing, so you can get rid of all the stuff that you don't particularly want to see. Let's reset the back to the original. Okay. Filters are quite fun, bit of cheating really, but this enables you to whiz around various colour changes, which you might like. Ugh, not sure about that one. Go to the Arctic, and we're back to the original. So you can see you can change the overall feel of the photograph, which is pretty useful. And finally, there's adjustments up here. Click on Adjustments. You've got a light adjustment, so you can change the contrast, higher or low. That can make a picture a bit snappier by increasing the contrast. You can alter the overall exposure of the picture. Don't remember it being quite that sunny, but we'll go back to we'll leave it there. No, we won't. We'll move it back to the original. And we'll show you. You can also just reduce or boost highlights this way, so the bright parts of the photograph. And you can do the same with the shadows. So you can bring out detail in the shadows this way. If we go to colour, there's the overall tint, so you can change it to make it bluer, yellower that way, so you can change the overall feel of the photograph. That's a bit like the filters you saw before, but just doing one particular change on the tint. And if you want more warmth, this again will change the amount of blue in the photograph. Ooh, back to Arctic there. Back to the 0. We've got a couple more here. There's clarity. You're supposed to sharpen your photograph or reduce your sharpness of it. Well, that's quite nice, quite moody then actually, quite like that. Back to 0 again. And the visionette gives you sort of a frame around the outside, so you can see you're getting shadows around the outside to focus in onto the particular aspect you're looking at. Red eye filter, I haven't got any red eyes here, but you can tap on a red eye connected to somebody's face. And you can tap on a blemish. Let's tap on that. And that's taking what's around the spot and imposing it up to the spot. So you can see it's sort of disappearing. If I go down here and try this bit, it just hasn't done quite as well because the sand is a bit random than the skies up there. But it's quite useful taking out odd little bits. Not quite the same as in the big photo packages where you can actually get rid of stuff much more effectively, but for free it's pretty good on the whole. So that's a quick look at Windows Photo app. So that's a quick tour of the Windows Photo app. Not quite as good as, say, the dedicated photo packages. If you want one of those, then I recommend Affinity Photo from Serif. £48 or less, very good value. But Windows Photo app, for free, it does a pretty good job. And if you just want to quickly change a photograph, edit it a little bit, then it's the great tool for you. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please like it, subscribe to my channel so you can see what's happening more, and finally tell other people about it so they can get the benefits of what I'm putting out there. Thanks for watching.